Hello plant friends, welcome back to another new video, or hi if you're new. My name is David and welcome to this channel. And this channel we upload a lot of plant content and a lot of plant shopping videos, so if you're into that, consider subscribing. So today I decided to share some products that I've gotten from Amazon that are for your plants or things that I use for my plants. I know it can be really hard to find some good grow lights, a good humidifier. Trust me, like I have bought in some really trashy grow lights and then I finally got some really good ones that I always promote in all of my videos. They're always in my description box. Not sponsored. None of these products are sponsored whatsoever. These are things that I really do love and enjoy, and I want to share them with you. So the first one we're going to start with is my oil diffuser, that little cute colorful thingy. Now the reason why I got this one specifically is because it's pretty affordable, it was cheap, and it gets the job done. I honestly also love that it has like really cute colors. You can also change it to a specific color that you like, and some essential oils. Now the reason why it's on the list is because I don't know if y'all know, but essential oils can honestly help repel bugs in your plant collection. And the fact that I have a lot of plants, I try my best to always repel as many bugs as I can. And I just found out that peppermint repels fungus gnats. Fungus gnats don't really like the smell of peppermint, and also spiders hate the smell of lemongrass. Currently on this little girly I have, I believe, lemongrass, and this one I have peppermint, which is also in the list of today's video. I'll explain why she's my favorite, and one of the reasons because you can also add essential oils in your humidifier. Well, this humidifier specifically. But yeah, these are both pretty affordable, and it makes this plant room smell really good. I'm not saying like they're gonna completely like leave your plant collection and this and that, but I try to do every single little thing that I can so my plants can be happy. And also when I do walk in, the plants in general make me happy, but the smell of peppermint and lemongrass really does calm me down, and it makes it just more enjoyable to be in this room. But yeah, like I highly recommend a oil diffuser, and not even just for your plants, also for your home. Like I love setting it up when I clean the house to make the home smell really good. I love using the orange one. This one, let me show you the little bottles. This one's tea tree, which is also one of my favorites as well. And I give the lavender one to my mom because she loves the smell of lavender, and she has that one in her machine. She has the same machine as mine, and this is the orange one, which smells literally so good as well. But like I said, like peppermint and lemongrass are just like it smells so freaking good. And it's a bonus that it repels bugs. Now the next product is microfiber cloth. Now I don't even know, this can literally help. Like you don't even gotta use like a leaf shiner or any other thing to remove hard water stains from your leaves, because I know when people water their plants, it leaves like water stains, like water deposits, mineral deposits on the leaves, and it doesn't look that cute. And little did I know, all you really have to do is buy a microfiber cloth, wet it to get it like nice and moist. I know some of you guys don't like that word when I use it, but that's basically what it is. You rinse this in water, and then you literally just wipe the leaves and they go away. Like you don't even gotta like go aggressively on the leaves. It just helps. I don't even know about this. I just found this out like in summer. But honestly, I love these a lot. These are great to clean your leaves. And also, this is one of my favorite bottles. It is not in Amazon. I got it from Dollar Tree, by the way, for $1. And I ended up putting some purified water, distilled water inside, and then I put a little bit of peppermint and I spray my plants down, and then I get a microfiber cloth and I just wipe it away, and that's how I clean my plants. It makes it smell really good, and like I said, it relaxes me, the smell of peppermint, and your plants look a lot more shinier, healthier, and just amazing. Like honestly recommend microfiber cloth. Now the next product is this really fun book. This is honestly a really good book for beginners and also like plant experts out there. It has some great information about plants. I know this sounds like it's advertised. I swear to God, you guys, this is not promoted or like sponsored whatsoever. And I probably say promoted. It's not promoted, it's sponsored. Lord have mercy, I don't even know my words. But this is a good book. I honestly have it in the bathroom, so whenever I go to the restroom, I read a little bit of pages. And honestly, it's also really cute. You can leave it in your coffee table. So basically, this book has some really great tips on how to take care of your plants. It's called How Not to Kill Your Houseplants. And honestly, like I said, it has some really good info inside. Like, let me show you. And it has like a lot of different plants in here. Let me pull it up. Let me show you the one that I'm reading right now, which is air plants, because I have 2 air plants and they're doing a little bit brown, and I was kind of stressing out, and I just ended up going to this book. Yeah, Like, the amount of information this book has is literally insane. And like, it's so cute. I just love the cover. I'm honestly debating on buying a second book and leaving it in the guest restroom. So when people like, you know, use it, they can just like read some pages or like look at the beautiful pictures, because they have some really cute pictures as well. But yeah, cute book. Now let's get into grow lights. The many grow lights I have bought since I started collecting plants is insane. I try to find some really good lights, and the ones that I just cannot stand are the purple lights. Those literally give me headaches, but I finally found some good ones that I like. If you've been on my channel, you know that I talk about these lights so much. It's like literally insane. But it's basically this light. I've noticed that my plants honestly react really good to it. I had it on my polka dot begonia, and the amount of leaves it has thrown out, and also my money tree, which I don't have it right now, my money tree. But when I was in my other apartments, I had one of these grow lights on the money tree, and it was pushing out new leaves. It was crazy, and I was so proud of it. I was like, oh my god, like this is just gold. So I ended up buying 2 more, which by the way, I'm gonna post a houseplant tour video so you guys will see how I have my grow lights set up, and you guys would see 3 of those grow lights that I have on right now. But honestly, I highly recommend those grow lights. Like, these are double, but I know they have a set of triple, which has 3 lights, and I think it's a lot cheaper. But I'm just scared that it might be a little bit different than these, so I haven't bought those, even though like you get an extra light bulb. I don't know if it's the same thing, but these are the ones that I personally have, and I honestly see my plants doing really good. The ones that are 2, I might buy the one that has 3 lights in it because it's cheaper. It has an extra light, but I'm just scared. Like, I strongly believe you get what you pay for. But yeah, I'll have these linked down below as well. Now let's get into humidifiers. So the one that I honestly, my OG one that I cherished and loved so much was I have actually done a cleaning video on how to clean that specific humidifier. I ended up tossing it away because I had, like I said, I already have a lot of plants at this point, and because of respiration, it boosts humidity in the plant room in the old house. So what I ended up doing, I ended up placing it in the closet, and I forgot to empty out the water, and it had mold. I could have used bleach and like stuff like that, but I was like, I already had it for a long period of time, and I was like, you know what, I guess it's time to experiment and try out new humidifiers. So that's exactly what I did. And that specific humidifier, you couldn't put essential oils in it because it could break it, but it's a really good humidifier. This one that I'm honestly into right now is this little girly, and this was not sent to me. I honestly bought this, and y'all, like, it's amazing. It literally shows the temperature in this room, the humidity in this room. It has 3 levels on how much mist you want it to throw out. You can also set a timer. It has a night mode, and the best part is you can put essential oils in the humidifier, which is literally amazing. It's like, oh my god, I don't know, I love essential oils. I love the way it makes me feel. It just smells so good. It literally calms me down, and the fact that it can repel bugs is a bonus because I hate bugs. In all honesty, I honestly do love this humidifier, and I might buy another one because I do want to put one in this side and possibly on this side as well, but I'm on a budget right now. But yeah, this is a great humidifier, and honestly right now they have a lot of promotions right now, like a lot of coupons on this specific humidifier. I can be sensitive because I can get in trouble literally, but all I'm gonna say is it's affordable, and on top of that they have coupons as well. Alright, the next product, as you guys can see, is my moisture meter. Now I talk about this moisture meter a lot, and just like my grow lights, it's because y'all, even if you're an expert, I still recommend this because the soil is dry on top. It doesn't always mean that it's dry completely. There might be some wet spots in the soil, and then if you water it, it's gonna get root rot. So this little girly, you literally shove it in the soil, and it will tell you if it's completely dry or if there's some wet spots, which means not to water it so it would not get root rot and your plant would not die. Honestly, this moisture meter, it's so affordable. It's so, out of other products, this is literally the cheapest one. If you're thinking on getting any of these products, highly recommend this one unless you already have one. But this specific one it says it can detect light, which I'm gonna put it on right now. Light, the moisture of the soil, and the pH. I usually use the pH for, like, I was experimenting with it. Like, I was just not experimenting, I was playing with it, and it does, like, you know, switch on. So I'm guessing like I should start focusing on pH on my plants. I never thought about that, but I did research, and supposedly it does affect it. Like, if the soil is too acidic, your plants really can't absorb all of the nutrients in the soil, and if it's too alkaline, it's the same thing as well. But yeah, video idea, checking the pH on all of my plants. No, but I always wanted the moisture setting, and it's great. I can't stress this enough. Like, the amount of plants that I have killed from root rot is insane because I honestly thought it was dry. I checked, it felt lightweight, and then I put my finger inside and it was dry, and then I water it and it turned out it just got root rot because there was some wet spots. So even then, even when you repot a plant, sometimes people put it in a bigger pot than it should be in, which makes it longer for the soil to dry out, and the center might be dry but the outer layer is like moist, or the opposite. Like, there's just, like I said, it also depends a lot in your environment and where your plants are at, like how much light they get, the temperature, the humidity, even the elevation. Supposedly that's a thing. But yeah, moisture meter, it's so cheap and it's gonna help your plants not to die, and check if it actually needs water so it will not get root rot. Yeah, it's late at night. I'm filming this video like so late and I gotta post it tomorrow, so sorry if I'm like rambling with my words too much and they're not making any sense, but I love this moisture meter. Highly recommend it. Alrighty, the last one on this list is my cute little, I don't know what the hell you call this. Thermometer humidity temperature. That's what it's called. I don't know. I don't even know the actual name of this thing. All I know that it detects the humidity in the room and the temperature, and it's actually really, really accurate. This is one of the top reviews that I saw from Amazon, and that's usually what I look for. Really good reviews, and it has a lot of reviews as well. But this girl, what makes it kind of cool is it's Bluetooth. You can literally set it on your phone, and like, hear me out, you literally set it on your phone with Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi, and you can get alerts when the humidity drops way too low or way too high. And the same thing with the temperature. The temperature drops too cold, it will notify you on your phone, which is honestly great. And yes, the humidifier does show you the humidity, but it's like in that section, like the mist is already there. And you know, I like to put this in the opposite of the room to see like if it's actually like really humid, even across the room. But I don't really care about the temperature, but I do care about the humidity. Another cool thing about this gadget is that it tells you the lowest temperatures that it has been in and the highest as well, and even on the humidity. For example, the lowest in humidity, I believe it says 35, and the highest was 90% humidity, and the lowest on temperature was 56.8 Fahrenheit, and the highest was 74.3 Fahrenheit. So I don't really look into that. I honestly just look on the humidity and I have it across the room to tell me if it's actually really, really humid completely in the plant room, because I want my babies to be happy. Because you know, they're tropical plants and their natural environment is very, very humid. So I try to mimic their environment as much as I can. And even when I do decorate with my houseplants or like place them in the plant room, they're all like like in their own specific spot, like how much light they can handle. Like if they need a lot of light, they're gonna be on top, or if I'm propagating or like they don't look so good and they need a little bit more light to grow a little bit better, they're on top. But my low light plants, I have them behind the phone, and this side, like I said, you guys are gonna see all of these plants, every single one of them in the houseplant tour, which I'm gonna try to do every single week. But yeah, so basically those are all of I'm looking at my list. Yeah, those are basically all of the houseplant products from Amazon that I recommend to plant lovers such as yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't so you can watch more plant content and join us in this crazy plant journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.